Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about answering the question, what is the quotient of 6x squared plus 12x minus 36 and 6? So, our first step is to translate this question to an algebraic expression. Now, again, since we use the word quotient, we are referring to dividing our polynomial by a monomial, wherein 6x squared plus 12x minus 36 will be our dividend and 6 will be our divisor. So it will be written in the form of 6x squared plus 12x minus 36 divided by 6. And to better simplify this, to make it easier, let's convert this algebraic expression to a fraction form. Okay, so 6x squared plus 12x minus 36 will be our numerator. 6x squared plus 12x minus 36 will be our numerator, while our denominator will be 6. In dividing a polynomial by a monomial, we will divide each term by our monomial. We will divide each term by 6. So we can rewrite this in 6x squared over 6 plus 12x over 6 minus 36 over 6. And then from there, we will simplify each term. Now, let's start first with our first term, 6x squared divided by 6. In dividing monomial by monomial, we will divide the coefficient by the coefficient, variable by variable. So we have 6 divided by 6, that will be 1. So it will just be x squared. For our second term, we have 12x divided by 6. So 12 divided by 6 will be positive 2. So plus 2. And then just copy the variable x. And for the last term, negative 36 divided by 6, that will give us negative 6. So the quotient of our polynomial and monomial will be x squared plus 2x minus 6. Alright. Ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.